This video takes a closer look at several intense and often chaotic courtroom moments involving individuals who identify with so-called sovereign citizen beliefs. These defendants attempt to challenge the authority of the court using confusing legal jargon and arguments that have no real basis in law. Instead of cooperating with standard legal procedures, they often refuse to recognize their own names, deny the court's jurisdiction, and try to redefine their legal identity as separate from the person charged. One of the key segments features a defendant named Nathan Daniel Lucas, who insists that he is a living man, rather than a legal person. He refuses to enter a plea and repeatedly interrupts the proceedings in an attempt to argue that the court has no authority over him. Despite these disruptions, the judge remains calm and professional, ultimately entering a not guilty plea on his behalf and moving the case forward by setting a trial date. This moment clearly shows how the legal system continues to function even when a defendant refuses to participate properly. In another segment, a different defendant, who appears in a wheelchair, creates an even more chaotic situation. He refuses to state his name or nationality and instead keeps questioning the identity and authority of everyone else in the courtroom. His behavior becomes increasingly disruptive, making it nearly impossible for the hearing to proceed. After multiple warnings, the judge is left with no choice but to have him removed from the courtroom to restore order. Throughout the video, it becomes clear that these types of arguments are not only ineffective but also counterproductive. Judges are well aware of these tactics and are prepared to handle them without allowing the proceedings to be derailed. The video ultimately highlights the importance of understanding how the legal system actually works, showing that refusing to follow basic courtroom procedures only leads to more serious consequences for the individuals involved.
Your Honor, Tana Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Lucas. Mr. Lucas, please place your full name on the record.
Nathan Daniel Lucas, a living man.
A living man?
Yes, sir.
I would think that would be obvious, right?
No, sir. Not in
No.
the etymology of the courts and the syntax grammar. No, sir.
You've gone above my head on that. I can't. That's above my pay grade. All right. So are you interested in a lawyer representing you, sir?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you interested in even getting a driver's license?
No, sir.
Are you interested in an offer at all?
No, sir.
Set the matter for trial.
Well, I intend to plead in the form of a demurrer, such that I do not acquiesce to quasi-jurisdiction.
Okay.
Because that issue is to be brought up in my pleadings and filed with a court.
I didn't see any pleadings filed with the court. Do we have anything?
I said that is an issue to be brought up, my pleadings to be briefed and filed with a court.
Well, you should have done that. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Hannah here. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, sir. I'll give you a $0 bond, and I'll set a trial date for November the 14th, 2024. Or if you want a pre-trial date to file some pleadings, I can set that for October 21st, 2024. Which one would you like?
You could repeat that, sir?
Pre-trial date, if you want to file some motions, pre-trial date will be October the 21st, 2024. Or
that will be fine.
Just set it that you want that date?
October 24th, 2024?
October 21st.
21st.
2024 at 8:30 a.m. All right?
Yes, sir. And just for the record, I did not enter in no plea. I don't plead.
All right. Well, I'm entering in for you. All right. Have a good day, sir. I'll see you back October 21st, 2024, God willing. All right.
Likewise.
I'm asking you.
Your Honor, his name is Tyrese Breland.
Breland?
That's not my name.
Oh, Breland.
That's not my name. I'm here on special representation. I'm
Same as last defendant, Your Honor.
My honor, I'm asking.
Okay.
What is your status and what is your name? I'd like to know your name. I'd like to know your status. Of everyone in the courtroom, I would like to know what is your nationality and what is your
Deputy.
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to know your
So
nationality.
he has charges in JOTS and he has
a paper charge. Let me see if they're the same warrant, and they're different warrant numbers. Okay, so I guess I do both sets. It looks, let me see when these are.
Know your nationality. I would like to know if you're a U.S. citizen of the United States. And so what is your status? You're a U.S. citizen of the United States?
All right, hold on one moment, sir. Let me review the warrant.
Asking you for your status and the status of everyone in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know the nationality. I would like to know, are you a U.S. citizen? Once again, minor hour.
Is he deputy?
Status
Say it
of
again, Your
everyone
Honor.
in the
Is
courtroom.
he injured? Is that why why is he in a wheelchair?
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to know the status of everybody in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know your nationality. I would like to know are you a U.S. citizen?
Deputy, do you believe that this gentleman is mental health, or do you think it's just a sovereign citizen
Can you
thing?
provide me
As the video comes to a close, it becomes clear that these types of courtroom tactics do more harm than good for the individuals using them. Instead of helping their case, their refusal to cooperate and reliance on baseless, sovereign citizen arguments only create more tension and lead to stricter responses from the judge. The court remains focused on maintaining order and moving the case forward, regardless of the disruptions. These moments serve as a strong reminder that the legal system is built on structure, rules, and established procedures. Ignoring those rules or attempting to challenge them with unsupported claims does not stop the process, it only makes the situation worse for the defendant. In the end, the video highlights the importance of understanding how the court actually works and shows that respect and cooperation are far more effective than resistance based on misinformation.